In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tracking information to your eBay sales quickly and efficiently. If you're selling items on eBay, keeping your buyers informed about the shipping process is crucial for maintaining positive feedback and customer satisfaction. Adding tracking information lets your buyers know exactly where their item is and gives them peace of mind. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, the journey begins by signing into your eBay account. You want to head over to you.ebay.com and once the page loads, look for the sign in option typically located at the top right of the screen. Input your credentials and log into your account. Once you've signed in, you'll find that navigating through your account is the next step. Direct your attention once again to the top right corner, but this time focus on your name or profile icon. Clicking there will lead you to My eBay. This is essentially your hub, where all aspects of your selling and buying experience on eBay are managed. Next, you need to move to the section that holds the details of your sales. You'll see an option labeled Selling. Give it a click, or if you want to view just the items that you've already sold, you can opt for Sold instead. This is where you can find all the items that have made their way to happy buyers. Now, it's time to locate the specific item that you've already shipped and now wish to add tracking information for. Scroll through your list of sold items and find the one you're looking for. Once spotted, look next to the item's entry for an option that says either Add Tracking Number or Mark as Shipped. It's this link that will open a window for you to input all the necessary tracking details. With this window open, you'll need the tracking number provided by your shipping carrier. Make sure you have it at hand, perhaps from an email confirmation or the receipt from your shipment. Carefully enter this number into the designated field. Accuracy is key here, as you want your buyer to follow the package without a hitch. After entering the tracking number, the next part is selecting your shipping carrier from the drop-down list. Options like USPS, UPS, or FedEx will be at your disposal, so make sure to match your carrier with the one used for your shipment. Finally, with all the information in place, look for the Save or Submit button. By hitting this, you update the order status and automatically notify your buyer that tracking information is available. This small step can make a big difference in ensuring smooth communication and a great buying experience. That's it. You've successfully added tracking information to your eBay sale. Keep up the great work and stay tuned for more tips on improving your eBay selling experience.